This is question 11 on Unit 2 Foundation, June 2011. We have two numbers. It starts off a pattern or a sequence, and the rule to get the next one is you times by 3 and add on 2. So for example, 2, if you times by 3 is 6, and if you add on 2, you get that 8. We've got to write the next two terms. So we're going to start with the 8, times it by 3, 8 threes are 24, and add on 2, we get 26. So that's going to be the first missing number. To get the next one, we've got to start with that 26. We've got to do 26 times by 3 and add on 2. Now, if you don't know 26 times by 3, do it as a little timesing sum. We have 20 and 6 times by 3, a little timesing grid. 20 times by 3 is 60. 3 times by 6 is 18. Add those numbers together, I get 78. So 26 times by 3 is 78. And when I add on 2 to that 78, I get 80. So after 26, the next number there is 80. Now part B, it's got another number sequence. And the rule for this one is you times by 2 and add 4. But they're not asking you to carry on the sequence a normal way. They're asking you to go backwards and find what these two are. So if we're going forwards, we times by 2 and add 4. But we need to go backwards. And if we're going backwards, we need to do the opposite of these things. We need to take away 4 and divide by 2. So that's what we're going to do. And we're going to start off with a 6. We're going to do 6 take away 4, which is 2. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. So that's the first missing number that there was before the 6. Now we're going to do it again, but I'm not going to have 6 in here. I'm going to have 1 coming into here. 1 take away 4. Well, we're going down in minus numbers. So we've got 1, go down 1, a 2, go down 3, go down 4. So 1 take away 4 is minus 3. And now I've got to do minus 3 divided by 2. Just write that sum down. Minus 3 divided by 2. Well, if the minus wasn't there, the answer would be 1.5. But if you have a minus divided by a normal number, you get a minus answer. So that one there, the next one will be minus 1.5. So the missing numbers for that question are 1 and minus 1.5.